take this trim piece up here, just use a trim tool. You can grab it with your hand, just slide it up a little bit. Try to get underneath here. Just pry up carefully. Disconnect the connector right here. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push down on that tab and slide the connector out. Now push the front of the switch slightly and then push up on these tabs to release them. And there's 2 tabs on the other side. And slide it out. Now take the switch, slide it back in position the way it came out, lock it down, take the connector, line it up, lock that down. I'll line the trim piece up in the front first and snap it back in place.